lips hurt. We're a few days into music rehearsals, and all I can think is, did I spend the entirety of junior high and high school with a giant red rash on my lip? Actually, that would explain a lot. Rehearsals themselves are going pretty well. I mean, I didn't get my score until Sundays, so I might seem a little unprepared or super incompetent, you know. But the music is fun and challenging, and I'm having a good time. What you don't want in a 90s show run is simple and repetitive. Ice cream, da 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 da. But sometimes I'd get the ice cream cone at intermission. That was okay. Focus, Laura! For me, with the last couple of Rosebud shows, music rehearsals have gone from simple and satisfying to terrifying and kind of painful. Basically, I'm a better singer than I am a trumpeter. Trumpetet? Trumpeteer? Trumpetetter! No! I was the best trumpet in my high school bands, but that doesn't mean anything anymore because it was 8 years ago. God, I miss jazz band. Mr. Spila always told us to enjoy it while it lasted because we'd miss it one day. I wonder if anyone believed him. I know I sure didn't. The point is that I used to be good. Really good. And now I'm not. I'm okay. Bordering on good. And that's fine, considering they hired me to be an actor, and since I sort of play the trumpet, they threw this in last minute. But it doesn't feel fine. It feels like we're gonna hit first read and I'll still be sight reading, and do you know what I can't sight read? Anything in F sharp major! In other news, Laura is sometimes a little bit intense. It just makes me anxious to know that I don't have the time to learn or even really practice the music before first read. If I practice at home when we're in music rehearsals, then my lips are too sore to play during the actual rehearsal. So for those of you who don't know, first read is the first thing that happens on the first day of regular rehearsals. It's the first time everyone's together in the same room. The designers present their stuff, the director tells us about his vision, and the actors read through the play. For some theaters, most theaters, it's a pretty small group. Actors, directors, stage management, designers, a representative or two from the management side of things, and that's it. But Rosebud's turned it into a bit of a thing. I don't know if it's actually open to the public or if it just feels like that, but between the donors, season ticket holders, board members, students, townfolk, theater staff, and everybody else I just mentioned, there's gonna be a solid 30 to 40 people there. So it's a performance. Nobody's gonna expect it to be perfect on the first day of rehearsals. But still, whatever. I'll get over it. Besides, I'm here to be a witch, and that's gonna be awesome. Bye! Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment. I'll see you next time.